Hi everybody, in this video I am going to discuss NFA in automata theory within 3 minutes. Full form of NFA is non-deterministic finite automata. It consists of 5 tuple Q summation delta Q0 F. The basic definition of DFA NFA both are same, but in DFA the mapping function Q arrow summation to Q, but in NFA mapping function Q arrow summation to 2 to the power Q, that is the power set. It consists of many output state in NFA. Let us consider the example and definition for that. A equal to Q summation delta Q0 F. This is the basic definition of NFA. Here Q is the finite non-empty set of states. Summation is the input alphabet. Q0 is the initial state of the machine. F is the final state. And delta is the transition function. In case of DFA, mapping is Q arrow summation to Q. But in case of NFA, mapping that is delta mapping is Q arrow summation to the power Q. This is the NFA. This is for DFA. So this is the basic difference between the mapping function of DFA and NFA. Let us consider an example to construct an NFA. Let us consider example to construct an NFA. Suppose this is the Q0 and this is Q1 and suppose this is Q2. And here Q1 is the final state. You can write any state, or you can write any from A, you can write B, or this one is final state, you can write B. So this is one kind of NFA. Why you are considering this NFA? In DFA, one input only allowed to move to only one output state, but in NFA you can move anywhere and you can produce any number of output state. Let us consider this. Here delta is the delta Q0, Q1, Q2 are the state. Here Q1 is also final state, Q2 is also final state. A and B are symbol. From Q0 to A there is a Q0 and Q0 to A there is a Q1. So it consists of more than one output. These are the basic features. It consists of more than one output, but in DFA only one output state is allowed, but in NFA we can store more than one states. Q0 to B, Q0 to B, there is a Q2, from Q1 to A, Q1, from Q1 to B, Q2, from Q2 to B, Q2, and from here there is no input symbol from Q2 to Q, there is no output state from Q2 to A to null. So this is the basic example of NFA. So thank you very much for watching this video. Yes, subscribe it. Thank you.